Hey everyone, welcome back to our F-117 restoration video updates. We're glad to be back at it. I know it's been a minute. I'm Brandon Hedges, Restoration Chief here at the Hill Aerospace Museum. A lot of the work we've had going on right now has been happening off-site at the Davis Applied Technology College. We have a student there that's been working on a few of our layups and panels we need to create. We can go ahead and take a look at some of the stuff that's been created if we wander over here behind the back of the aircraft. So if you take a look at this part right here, composite panel, the student's name is Ivan down there. He's been doing phenomenal work deciphering prints and creating the layups. As you can see, the panel's fitting really great. We will drill to fit per the airframe, and then we'll secondary bond anything that we need to. There might be two panels that connect at a certain point, like at the trailing edge or what have you. If you stay tuned, you'll see some of the pictures that we took during the process of him making a few of these panels.